In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the idle air control valve on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located on the side of the carburetor, under the air cleaner. Let's get started. Remove the two nuts on the top of the air cleaner. Ours only has one. Pull the boot off of the air cleaner and lift straight up and remove the assembly. We're going to cover our carburetor with a rag. We're going to be going after this valve right here. We're going to remove the connector for our idle air control valve. To do this, there should be a tab right here that is hooking on to this. You'll just lift slightly up and pull the connector straight back. Since ours is broken, it's just going to slide right out. Using a 1 1/4 wrench or a 32mm wrench, or in my case, an adjustable, we're going to remove our idle air control valve. Remove the control valve. Before installing the new valve, we're going to clean our mating surface since ours came with a gasket. I'm going to use a clean rag with a bit of parts cleaner and just clean up that mating surface. Give it a wipe down. Install the gasket onto your new control valve and install the valve. Bottom it out and get it nice and snug. Install the connector, push it straight in. That tab on the top should click. Install the air cleaner. Install the nut, and install the intake onto the side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.